Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this look for you. One shadow only, and let me just tell you, I tried to do something new. Tried to put some concealer into the game and it didn't work out, so I basically ended up putting oranges all over the place. Which sucks. But yeah, that's what I came up with. Also, this video is praise to Halsey. You will see why just in a few seconds. Yeah, I just love her, okay? I'm sorry. So anyway, this is the look. Just orange all over. And also on my lips, because I feel like this looks so cool. This looks like straight 70s, and I love it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and let's get started with the tutorial, because like, I'm not really good, okay? It's a tutorial. Let's go. I'm really excited today. Oh my god. You know why? Halsey, one of my... Hold on, I need to get the autofocus up. Halsey, one of my favorite singers. As you may know, I've done a few looks inspired by her. I love her so much. I love her music. I love everything about her. She just announced her European tour dates. And guess where she's going? She's coming to my country. And guess who will be there? I immediately texted my boyfriend saying, keep that day free. Don't plan anything on that day because we are fucking going. I don't care if anything else is going on. I don't care if I don't know, if there's a sports event or like anything. If someone needs me, I won't be there. And I don't care. I will be there. I will be celebrating. I will be dancing. I'll be just so excited. Remember my horse inspired video that I did with the blue eye for the cover of Manic? I can't talk. Where I said that if I could see her in concert, that would make my whole entire year. Guess what? I mean, it's next year. It's just coming. But she's coming. Oh my god! Like, believe in your dreams. Oh my god! I'm so excited. I'm literally so excited. And oh, I can't wait. Without further ado, we should get going with the one eyeshadow only look, okay? You've probably seen the intro already. So this is the, what is it called? Yes Please palette. It's so confusing because it says cute as fuck, but it's Yes Please. A Colourpop, and this is literally the only orange shade that I have. It's a bit sad, but it's the only one I have. But this is, I think that's Chauffeur, because also these colors are on backwards. So you would think that full zip, which this one, would be this. Right? It's not, it's this one, so it's a bit confusing. So I think this is Chauffeur, and it's a gorgeous shade, but it's shimmer. You can see? I don't know how that will look. I will try that. Also, like I said, I'm just so excited. I don't know. And in the shower, I've used a, what do you call it, like a solid shampoo. You know, like it looks like Bob soap is actually a shampoo. And it's horrible. It makes my hair so dry. My scalp is itchy. I think I scratched it so much that it bled a little. Yeah, it's just disgusting. And also, the conditioner that I'm using is not working with the shampoo because, I don't know, it just makes everything too greasy because the shampoo is really drying it out. Then you put the concealer on. What? You put the conditioner on and just everything is a greasy mess, and that's why I put it back in those things. So anyway, I actually want to do something a bit out of my comfort zone today. I want to do concealer here. Do a, you know, like people do a line on the crease, you know, like a liner, like a winged liner, abstract liner, whatever. I want to do that with concealer, then put orange on, and given the fact you have a concealer as a base, and you put the orange on, the orange will be a bit darker. I hope, I'm not sure. But yeah, first we're just going to put this color all over the eyelid. I zoom in just a little bit. There you go. Because whenever I zoom in, I have trouble with focus. With the focus on this camera. I need a good mic for this, because whenever I could have it on autofocus, but given the fact I don't have an actual mic, I just have the mic from the camera. You hear it. You constantly hear that like cracking sound, and that is not nice. So I need a good mic. Maybe for Christmas. Maybe I treat myself. Who knows? But then again, I need to save money for Halsey because I'm gonna buy the whole shop. You know that. You just know. Put this all over the eyelid. Then here, I will do like an abstract liner over here. It's actually a very nice shade. No? Yeah, it is. Thanks. And the other side. This is packed in much more dense or denser, is that a word, than Was it, which one was it? Hold on. The one that's empty. Butter cake. That was like a golden shape also, a shimmer shape, but gold, and like I did a swatch with that and all immediately crumbled, so that's not nice. Also, I really hope that I'll be able to get tickets for Halsey because they go on sale on Friday. I mean 10 a.m. I hope not a lot of people are online. And if they are, I will fight them. That's actually, I don't know if I told you, I made a bucket list. I think I told you that one. I'm not really sure. I made a bucket list of things I want to do before getting married and before having a child. It's weird, but you know, I'm at that age where everyone around me is getting married or pregnant. It's a little annoying, but you know, it's also nice. It's not happy for them. But yeah, things I want to do before getting married and having a child includes a lot of sports stuff. You know, I want to see the Olympics live. How cool would that be? I want to see a Champions League game. I want to see some ice hockey, which I've never seen. Football, American football, never seen. Rugby, never seen. So just things I want to do. And on that list is a Halsey concert. Another concert I want to see is Luz Capaldi, which I've seen already, but I want to see again because he's great. And the others, I forgot. Oh, Billie Eilish. You know, maybe like these videos work. I really want to see Billie Eilish, please. So this is the base. I'm gonna try. Like, I don't have the smallest brush to do this, but I'm just gonna try that out. I'm so scared. Also, not saying anything right now. I can't. I'm just too focused on this. It looks good though, right? No. Make it even on both sides. That will suck. I mean, it sounds a little to have hooded eyes because it's a bit difficult to do. And also, I'm incredibly short-sighted, so like I have to put the mirror here almost. Yeah, well, you know, my bucket list, other things on there. Get another piercing. And by piercing, I mean ear piercing. As you know, I tried to do this ear, didn't work. I tried to do this ear. The needle actually went through. I had a what do you call it, like a sewing needle that I first put a lighter on, you know, to disinfect it and whatever. Then I put some hand sanitizer on, and I put some rubbing alcohol on. I had everything planned. Also, hand sanitizer and rubbing alcohol on my ear, and it went through. Which, if someone tells you it doesn't hurt, it hurts. Okay, it is painful. Like I said, the needle went through all the way, but it wasn't big enough. You know, it was a very thin needle, and the earring that I had that I wanted to put on was too thick. So basically, I tortured myself for nothing. I mean, it doesn't look the same. So let's go over this one more time very quickly to keep it kind of moist. Oh god, I hate that word, but you know, keep it kind of moist like that. Then I just go over it. Okay, this is not working. This is not working. Maybe a little. But you don't really see a difference though. Shit. Okay, so I did everything from that. Oh, hold on. This is actually a different color now. Okay. I mean, it's not a different color, but it's a different shade. So that maybe I didn't fail as much as I thought I did. So it's gonna blend that in. See? Okay, now it's very creasing up in here because yeah, that's not that good of a look. It's not really working. Oh my god. But there's a nice shade. I still want to do that series where I test out an eyeshadow just throughout the day, just see how it's holding up. And if it's not holding up, I'm getting rid of it, obviously. But yeah, I have a few palettes. As you know, I ordered 3 new ones. What is wrong with me? I don't know. Yeah, so it'd be nice to see how different palettes are holding up, you know, because honestly, I do have a few eyeshadow shades that you put on. I mean, at least I do my eyes first and then do the rest of my face. You put it on, you continue with your face, and once you're done, you don't even see eyeshadow anymore. So that sucks. Guess we have to deal with this right now. It's not the greatest. You know who is the greatest? Halsey. I swear to God, no one should come and ask me to do anything on that day. I just play dead. I won't be there. Like, this is planned already. You've witnessed this. This is planned. If anything comes in between, I can't come. No matter how important it is, I'm not there. If anyone gets married, if anyone, I don't know, has plans to go on a vacation, if anything, I'm not there. Halsey, I've listened to her for a long time. Okay, so she's kind of like my happy place. Like, her music makes me really happy. So, in some kind of way, going to a concert is actually like a treat yourself thing for me. So, I put my health and my happiness and whatever above others, which I should do much more often, trust me. Tell me, be honest, how many times did you go out with someone or with some friends, even though you didn't want to go, but you did anyways because you wanted to make them happy? Same. Just put this on the lower lash line as well, because this video is a complete Halsey love video, whatever, I don't care. That's actually a nice look. Like, if this, imagine this was straight to my eye. Oh my god, imagine this was a matte orange shade. I mean, even like this, but just imagine it was a matte orange shade and you put maybe a bit of a burgundy or purple in. That would be such an amazing fall look. Because I love fall, and I love winter a bit more, but fall is nice. Speaking of winter, yesterday with the Emmys, and Game of Thrones got 12 Emmys. It is the best show of all time. Was the ending good? But it's an amazing show, and I love it. I recommend it to everyone. And like, those people who say, I never watched a single episode of Game of Thrones. Like, who cares? Like, I don't care if you watched it. I don't care if you didn't watch it. Does that make you feel like superior to others that you didn't watch the show? What is it with people having the constant need to tell other people their entire life? It's like when people walk to me like, oh, I'm vegan. Who cares if you're vegan? I don't care if you're vegan or vegetarian or if you eat meat or if you play soccer or if you play baseball. I don't care. Okay? Don't brag about it. Like, congratulations, you do sports. So, anyway, that was it. That's the finished look. It's actually, you know what? I'm going to put a bit of my... Oh, first off, I'm going to put a bit of this on. Lip balm. Also, my battery's dying. Nice. Putting a bit of this on. This is a bit of this on top. A bit of this on top and then put the whole thing on. Oh god. You know, it's actually funny because I ordered 2 Colourpop palettes and they haven't arrived. They are stuck in custom. Great. People would think I'm putting drugs. I'm not. Oh, what is that? How cool is this as lip color? Oh my god, I love it. So, that was it. Enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed my Halsey praise. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. And see you next one. Bye. Like, remember my Halsey, but I can't talk. See, I'm so excited. This is actually such a cool look. Oh my god. I love this. I cannot wait to play in Photoshop with this because, as you know, not just, but I got Photoshop and I'm working on it. I'm working on my skills. I'm not the greatest, but I'm working on it. Hope you enjoyed. My pimples are still there. I don't know why. Like I said, I don't even know what I did to get them in the first place. Yeah, so let's just look at this side.